10 Rules to Learn English Effectively. Hello and welcome. If you've ever felt frustrated while learning English, you're not alone. Many learners struggle with understanding grammar, memorizing vocabulary, or speaking fluently. It's easy to feel stuck, especially if you don't see progress as quickly as you'd like. But here's the truth. Learning English is not about talent. It's about using the right strategies consistently. The secret to mastering English is not just about studying textbooks or attending classes. It's about immersing yourself in the language, practicing regularly, and developing the confidence to communicate naturally. The more you expose yourself to English in different situations, the more comfortable and fluent you will become. This guide will introduce you to 10 essential rules that will make your English learning journey faster, more effective, and enjoyable. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, these techniques will help you overcome common challenges and build real fluency. Let's dive in. 1. Immerse yourself in English every day. If you want to learn English effectively, you need to make it a daily habit. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Watch English movies, listen to podcasts, read English books, and follow social media pages in English. The goal is to make English a part of your everyday life so that your brain starts processing the language naturally. Instead of just studying English for 1 or 2 hours, try to live in the language. Set your phone and computer to English, think in English when doing daily tasks, and talk to yourself in English throughout the day. The more you immerse yourself, the faster you will improve. 2. Think in English instead of translating. One of the biggest mistakes English learners make is thinking in their native language first, and then translating into English. This process slows down your speaking speed and makes your sentences sound unnatural. To train your brain to think in English, try these simple exercises. Describe your surroundings in English as you go about your day. Talk to yourself in English while cooking, driving, or walking. Set a challenge to only think in English for 5 minutes, then increase the time each day. At first, this may feel difficult, but over time, it will become easier. The goal is to think directly in English without needing to translate. 3. Focus on communication, not perfection. Many learners hesitate to speak because they are afraid of making mistakes. But here's an important truth. Native speakers make mistakes all the time. What matters is being understood, not speaking perfectly. Instead of trying to be 100% correct, focus on getting your message across. Don't pause too much, and don't be afraid of small grammar errors. The more you speak, the more natural and fluent you'll become. Think about it this way. Children don't learn languages by memorizing grammar rules. They learn by speaking. You should do the same. 4. Learn and use common phrases. Instead of memorizing long lists of vocabulary, focus on learning phrases that native speakers use in real conversations. For example, instead of just learning the word excited, learn a full phrase like, "I'm really looking forward to it." "I can't wait." This way you'll sound more natural when speaking, and you'll be able to express yourself easily in different situations. 5. Improve your listening skills. First, listening is one of the most important skills in language learning. If you don't understand what people are saying, it's difficult to respond naturally. To improve your listening skills, listen to English every day. Movies, podcasts, interviews. Focus on understanding the meaning, not just words. Pay attention to pronunciation, tone, and expressions. Try watching TV shows without subtitles after you get used to the dialogue. This will help you develop better comprehension skills and make conversations easier. 6. Practice speaking every day. If you want to speak fluently, you need to speak regularly. Just reading and listening won't make you fluent. You need to use what you learn in conversations. Some ways to practice speaking daily. Find a language partner or join an online English-speaking group. Record yourself speaking and listen to how you sound. Practice speaking in front of a mirror to build confidence. Even if you don't have a partner, talk to yourself in English. This helps you organize your thoughts and speak more smoothly. 7. Use the shadowing technique. The shadowing technique is one of the most effective ways to improve pronunciation, fluency, and listening skills. It involves closely mimicking native speakers, helping you develop natural speech patterns and confidence in speaking. How to practice shadowing. Find high-quality audio sources. Use podcasts, YouTube videos, movies, or audiobooks featuring native speakers. Choose content that matches your level but challenges you to improve. Listen and repeat immediately. Play a short sentence and repeat it exactly as you hear it, without pausing to think. Try to match the tone, speed, and rhythm of the speaker. Focus on pronunciation and intonation. Pay close attention to how native speakers stress certain words, link sounds, and use intonation to express emotions. Practice daily for better results. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day will significantly improve your fluency. Why shadowing works. It trains your mouth muscles to produce English sounds effortlessly. It helps you sound more natural by mimicking native pronunciation. It improves listening comprehension by forcing you to process speech quickly. It boosts speaking confidence because you get used to speaking at a natural pace. Pro tip: start with slow-paced content and gradually move to faster, natural speech. Soon, you'll notice how effortlessly you can speak. 8. Set clear, achievable goals. Learning English is a journey. And to stay motivated, you need to set specific, realistic goals that keep you on track. Instead of vague goals like, I want to be fluent, break them into small, achievable steps. Examples of effective language goals. Daily goals. Learn 10 new words and use them in sentences. Listen to 15 minutes of an English podcast. Read an article or a short story in English. Weekly goals. Have at least one conversation in English. Write a short paragraph or journal entry about your week. Watch an entire movie in English without subtitles. Monthly goals. Hold a 5-minute conversation in English without hesitation. Learn 50+ new words and expressions. Record yourself speaking and track your pronunciation progress. Why goal setting works. It keeps you motivated and gives you a sense of progress. It helps you stay consistent, which is key to fluency. It turns learning into a fun and structured process.